Good morning! Welcome to Everyday Noms. Today, we are making Keto Chapati. My previous video is on making keema. If you missed that video, do click on the link below to take a look. This video is about making a simple chapati to eat the keema with. This keto flatbread-like thing only requires 5 ingredients and warm water and oil. Here are the ingredients, or you can click on the link below to get them on my blog. First, get a cup of flaxseed meal. Add about 2 tablespoons of almond flour in this. Then, add a tablespoon of coconut flour. Add salt to taste, and about another tablespoon of garlic powder. Stir it all up. Once it is well mixed, add a cup of warm water. I recommend doing this slowly while mixing, as the mixture might need more or less water depending on the quality of the flour. There is too much water in mine, so I added a little more coconut flour to get it back to a dough-like consistency. You can leave it a while to let it settle. Once it does, knead it a little until it becomes a uniform dough. From here, you can divide it to however many chapatis you like. When flattening it, you can of course use a mold to make it a round shape, but I like my chapatis the shape of this famous Pokemon named Ditto. Don't judge me. Once you got all your bread blobs well flattened, heat up some ghee on a pan. You can use oil or butter. I just love ghee in my chapati. It gives a richness to food in general. Carefully place the chapati into the pan. Make sure the ghee is coating it evenly. As the dough is also soft, you might want to use a large spatula to flip it when one side is brown. I have recently bought this pancake spatula and it works great. I hope you like this simple recipe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Till next time!